good time to get in a quick chart check from Ashish Kyal of Wave Strategy Advisors, who's joining in. Ashish, good morning. Thank you for joining in. Well, the earlier talk was 24,300. The Nifty has crossed that. Now it was 24,500. The Nifty has crossed that too. Where do we go from here now? 24,700 looks realistic, or maybe even does 25,000 look realistic on the charts? And your stock recommendations as well for the morning.
Hi, afternoon to you and morning to you and all the viewers. If you look at the overall market trend, it has been bullish. Whether you look at the event, despite of the Strait of Hormuz being closed, Nifty has managed to sustain on the higher side, and there is positive news for the trade deal that is going to happen in this week. Having said that, the technical structure remains bullish. We can clearly see the advanced decline ratios have been increasing, improving over the past few days. And this time it has been Bank Nifty that has been leading on the upside even today. And that's a very positive sign. The PSU banking space was lagging earlier, but now you can check the Canara Bank, SBI, and all of those banks have started catching up on the upside. So overall, I think Nifty is headed towards 24,728, which is a GAN level, followed by 24,800. So that's the target. And that's going to be a minor hurdle because at 24,800, we can clearly see the prior price action resistance areas lying with volumes. So 24,800 is the target that one can keep an eye on. And any dip from here towards 24,470 can be an opportunity to buy as long as 24,240 is intact. And having said that, the first topic on the buy side is going to be delivery. We can clearly see that the mid cap has been the flavor of the week, and clearly the mid cap index is almost nearing to its 52-week high when Nifty is yet to catch up. And delivery, on the other hand, has consolidated, is giving a very strong breakout in today's session. We can expect a target of around 500 on the upside, and stop loss can be maintained at 462. And the other stock on the buy side is going to be LIC Housing Finance, a very strong bullish candlestick formation in today's session. I think the continuation should happen from here. We can expect the stock to move towards the level of around 600. And on the downside, one can maintain a stop loss for the stock at around 550 levels.
All right, LIC Housing now up more than 5% as we speak. Ashish, thanks very much for joining in with those calls. On that note,